Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll see the website of the National Overseas Scholarship for ST students. So, in the beginning, to visit this website, you you can what you can do is type NOS for ST in Google, and easily the first search result you'll get is the website that we are looking for. So this is the home page of the National Overseas Scholarship Portal. On the home page, you'll just see the info about the ministry, about the scholarship, and all the announcements related to the scholarship. So these are old announcements. You can see the last year's awardees list, and this is the new advertisement for this year. We can check this out by clicking here. Sorry, yeah, we'll have to download all those things. Okay, so about the scheme, this section is the most important because here you'll see all the instruction manuals, all the necessary information brochures. So we'll see one by one. Here in the introduction, you can see the basic intro stuff about the scholarship. Okay, you can also download this PDF. Not much is given, like basic stuff, eligibility and all that is then. Then after guidelines of scheme, this PDF you have to read complete. It's a little longer PDF, but here every nook and cranny of this process you'll understand all the things required. See, everything is given about the scheme in this PDF. Then this is instruction manual for application. There are three stages for the application, and each stage is described step by step with proper photographs. Okay, so first of all they are given this list of documents that we need, and then they have shown the complete process step by step with photos. Okay, so there's nothing that you will face no problem while registration and while registering and applying for the scholarship. Okay, every single step till the end is given in this PDF. Then again instruction manual, because the application requires the candidate to have their documents uploaded on DigiLocker. They have also given another separate manual for DigiLocker, how to use it, how to register, how to upload all the documents, and all this is here in this. Then PVTG list. So in this scholarship, if you had seen the previous video about the scholarship, you'll understand that the candidates who can participate in this scholarship scheme are ST category and PVTG category. That is particularly vulnerable tribal PVT group. Yes, yes. So here the list of which tribal groups come under PVTG. This list is given here state-wise. And then there are some FAQs. If you have read the previous all these PDFs, you will find nothing new in FAQs, but it's a short PDF. You can go through it. After that, dashboard leads to the actual website of the ministry. So this scholarship is run by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of some Yes, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So this dashboard button will just take you to the ministry's website. There's not much scholarship application related info on this website, but if just for the research purposes and you want to know the very deep knowledge of how this scholarship works, you can check it here, National Overseas Scholarship, and you will see all the previous data, how many people are being are receiving the benefits of this scheme, and which country, which states, the maximum beneficiaries by states, and all that like statistical data you can see here. Okay, other than that, on this page, On this page, you can see other schemes facilitated by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, like National Fellowship Scheme, Post-Matric Scholarship, etc. But for this video, our purpose is National Overseas Scholarship. So for that, you can find the additional information here. Okay. After the dashboard, there's this grievances page where you can post your queries, your worries, your complaints, or anything like that. Here, first of all, you have to be registered on this website. We'll see how to register, and then using your login ID, you can post your grievances. Okay. After that, here, in case you have any queries or doubts during the application process or letter process, here's the contact details of the help desk. If you have scholarship related queries or anything that is problematic or any doubts about scholarship, you can contact these people. And if you have technical queries like a website crash down or something you entered and it's not getting saved, etc., etc., for technical queries, here they have given another contact details. uh, Ideally you should just mail them first, and later on, if you do not get timely response, then you should just call them. After that, these are the important steps of application. Okay, so as you have if you have seen the previous video, you'll know that there are three stages in doing the application for the scholarship. The first is the registration step. Here you can sign up, that is register. When you click on the sign up button, you'll first see this guidelines, the basic info about the scholarship, and then you have to click on this declarations and click on proceed. See, this is your registration page. So enter your basic details, and registration is unique for each Aadhaar. So you have to validate your Aadhaar card, and then once you have entered the details, you will be registered. And once registration successful, you will see the message your registration is successful on the page. Now I cannot register because I cannot give another Aadhaar number. Okay. After sign up, you have to register on the DigiLocker. So you have your documents uploaded on the DigiLocker. If you already have your uh, DigiLocker account created, then no need to re-register. You can just make sure that all the documents required for the scholarship application are properly uploaded. And here's the DigiLocker's website. So you can sign up here, or you can download the app and register there. Okay. This process is, again, as I said, is described in the PDFs, both PDFs, the instruction manual and the DigiLocker manual. After your DigiLocker step is done, then you can go to the student's login, log in with your details that you registered for, and then after login, you can see your application form, fill the form, and then check, recheck, again check, and submit before the deadline. Remember that these are our government websites. So many times they crash down, so many times the traffic is too much, especially towards the deadline. Technical bugs keep on happening, so it's better to not wait until the last day. Okay, so it's better if you submit at least 3 to 4 days prior to the deadline. And also, I would not advise to submit the application in one go. It's not as don't do it like that, in the morning you started doing all the process and by the evening you are done and you'll submit. No, do not do it in one day. Okay, because I have seen a case where this girl was applying for the scholarship, similar scholarship, and she did that, and on her side, on her PC, on her computer, it was showing that she has successfully submitted the application, but unfortunately her application was not recorded on the scholarship's committee's side. Okay, she spent her whole year fighting with this, that I had submitted the scholarship, how can you have not received that? Nothing changed for her. you know, there's nobody that can help you there. So keep on doing step by step. One day you'll register and upload some documents. Second day, fill the half of the form. Third day, fill the rest of the form. Keep on checking again and again whether the data you entered previously is reflecting properly or not. And once you are absolutely sure, recheck again the form and then submit the final submission. After final submission, you cannot change anything in your application. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, I will be going through all the PDFs that they have given. So I hope this video was useful, and if you like it, like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next video.